Okay, so here it is, the shoulder dolly, moving straps. Let's see what's in the box. Moving up to 800 pounds. Holy cow. So you can move pianos as many times as you want now, apparently. Okay, it comes with some instructions showing you how to put them on multiple languages as well. Okay, very easy to put on. Slip over your shoulders. It's on your back. Then you can just pick up just about anything you want. You got adjustable straps. This is a 5-inch. It's 12 feet long, but then it is a 5-inch wide strap. So we're just going to see the durability and the makeup of each one of these straps. Oh, look at this. Look at this belt buckle, or this buckle front. So this will slide around. This is for the one shoulder right here. Okay. Then you've got your 5-inch wide strap that's going to go under whatever object or heavy equipment that you're using. This is the one that's 12 feet long. Look how strong that is. Wow. Yeah, this definitely can pick up a lot of weight. Okay. Very, very strong material. So 5 inches wide. Okay, we'll flip that open, or flip that closed here. And then here is the other strap that goes on the other person front. That's where you adjust it. So you slip this over, and you'll be able to move a lot better. Here's the back part. Goes around your back and then your shoulders. And then this strap is right here in the front. So definitely, I've got to move a big piece of equipment, and this is definitely going to help. So as you can see, I mean, check that out. Moving a safe, those are super heavy. Moving heavy pots, and then any type of furniture and cabinets you can easily do. But check this out. I mean, beds, I mean, that's going to be the biggest one right there. It's a safe. Pianos, different stuff like that. On the shoulders, put it underneath and lift. But what I like is this right here, the extra mobility, being able to move and go around corners, open doors, different stuff like that as you're moving. But this is going to be awesome because I only have one other person that can help me move this piece of equipment, and we won't be able to do it any other way. So anyway, this is the shoulder dolly. Very cool. Should be pretty awesome to use. I'll link this up down below if you want to check it out and pick one up for yourself. This is a one size fits all, but this is very heavy duty.